In this video, I'm unboxing and taking a look at the Zttopo Qi wireless charging pad, so stay tuned. Hi everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today I am taking a look at another wireless Qi certified charger for smartphones. And this one is made by a company called Zttopo. It's Zttopo, and this is available on Amazon. The model number is HZP100, so that's HZP100, and it's a wireless fast charger. I've done a few different charger reviews on YouTube before. Right now in my gadget bag, I have a number of devices that charge via Qi Wireless, so I'm always on the lookout for new chargers and chargers for different locations, whether it be at my home desk or my office desk when I go to work. So it's nice to have a couple different options. And this is a tech channel, so we do take a look at different items. I would like to thank Zttopo for sending this over to the channel for an honest review. I always appreciate the ability to work with companies to take a look at their products. As with all wireless chargers, you obviously need a phone that supports wireless charging. So those are things like the iPhone 10 range, the 8 and 8 Plus, Android devices, Galaxy Notes, all of those. Anything that basically supports wireless charging is obviously going to work with this wireless charger. Because it is quick charge, because there are different output ability here, so it can output at 5 watts, 7.5 watts, and 10 watts depending on what your phone supports. You'll have different rates of charge on the phones, etc. So we'll open this up, take a look at it, see what you get with it, and do a quick test. Both my iPhone XS Max and my Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So packaging wise, this, if you're going to buy something for a gift, this is a nice box, right? It looks nice. It has a kind of gold, I don't know if you can see that on the camera or not. And this one is the black version because I like black. And you get a couple things in here. Oops. So basically, this comes with a micro USB cable, so that's how you plug it into your wall adapter. Obviously, get your manual. Basically, just in this case says plug it in, and then you have the actual Qi pad. Now, what I like about this one, kind of right off the bat, when I look at this, is it's pretty thin. It's super thin. If we yank out our trusty ruler here and look at it, and I would say it's a little less than a 1/4 inch thick. So that's pretty slim. So if you're worried about something taking up a ton of space on your desk, vertical space, if it's too chunky, some of the Samsung chargers that I have, do stand off the desk, a good 1/2 inch to or more. So this is nice and slim, and it just kind of blends in with your desk. It has a logo here, and then there's an LED. If you can see the LED right there. Micro USB, and then the bottom of it, some writing, a little bit of a venting for the electronics inside, 4 rubber pads to kind of keep it from sliding around. And yeah, and what I really do like about this as well is that as part of the package, they actually give you a wall adapter. So a lot of times when I see these wireless charging pads, they don't give you the wall adapter. They just assume that you'll either use something that you already have, or you'll have an extra one, because who doesn't have a bunch of wall wart chargers kind of sitting around right now? If you had more than one phone, then you have lots of things, lots of cables and chargers and all that. But what I like about this is it's a Qualcomm Quick Charge 3 charging brick. So that's super nice. You get this along with the wireless charging pad, so you don't have to worry about finding one to use. So that's nice. So what we'll do real quick, again, I just want to do a super quick test. Plug this in. And then as you can see, if there's nothing charging, you kind of get a little red light on there. I'll take my Galaxy Note 9, drop it on, and it starts charging. I don't know if you can see the blue light. It says, on the Galaxy Note 9, in the Samsung series at least, it does say fast charging wirelessly, 91%, about 20 minutes until fully charged. So I don't know if you can see that, but as it's charging, the blue LED just kind of pulses. So it's just going to pulse until it's fully charged. It does say in some of the specs that the charging distance between the back of the phone and the actual wireless charging pad has to be less than 6 millimeters. So keep that in mind with regards to cases that you might have on the phone or whatnot. I have the Spigen Tough Armor case on the Galaxy Note 9, which I would consider a fairly, it's not thick, but I mean, you can see there's quite a bit of lip on the back of the case to the phone, and that doesn't have any problem, right? It just recognizes it. If I put it on there right, it recognizes it right away. No problem charging with that. I also, for my iPhone XS Max, also has a Spigen Tough Armor case, also pretty thick. Drop that on there, and starts charging also. So no problems with those two cases on phones. And like I said, these are relatively, beefy cases to protect the phone, and not a problem at all with the charger, being able to charge them. Again, I just wanted to do this, kind of quick unboxing, quick initial first look and test of this wireless charger. If you want to find more information out about it, you can check out the link in the description. That'll go to the Amazon link for this product. Again, I'd like to thank Zttopo for sending this over to the channel. This is Andrew from T is for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.